Ano pa?
Ano pa kailangan doon?
I'm not running.
Put niya.
Relic Studio Beats.
Delicious.
Ano yan?
Nice. 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 That. Nice.
Ano pa? So, daddy's chair and mommy's chair.
Oh, and Aya?
Yeah.
It's me.
Put the plate.
We're gonna do it again.
Yeah. Yan ang agawin natin, baby. Yan ang gawa natin.
Dapat siya talaga talaga niya.
Yan. O, yung plate. Put the placemat. Wala, ha?
This is Mama.
Hmm.
This is Aya.
Opo.
Hey. What?
Dito. Dito sa kay daddy. Yan.
And me.
Yes. I-move mo yung plate. I-move mo yung plate dun sa gitna. Yan. Okay for you. Yan. O, yung plate. Lagay mo kay mama. One for mama. One for Aya. And one for dada.
Let's put this out.
Yan. Kay dada. Okay, Aya. O, yung spoon. Put kay mama. Spoon. One for mama. Yan. Yes. And then kay Aya.
No, like this.
Yan.
We need top.
Okay, po. Only you?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Put your food on your plate. Get some rice. Get some rice. Mm. Thank you. Anong gusto mong ulam? Ah, chicken. Ay, ito. Ayaw mo?
Chicken and rice.
Ito? Gusto mo?
I want chicken and rice.
As the doctor said, vegetable.
Chicken and rice.
Video.